We are here on Real Estate in the Lowcountry. With me is Sheri Nixon. She is, of course, with Keller Williams Luxury. And as always, it's nice to see you.
It's great to be here.
Yeah, so once again, we have a great listing that you want to share with us.
Yes.
It's great location, turnkey, all kinds of wonderful things about this property.
Right, and turnkey is the key thing about it. It's absolutely turnkey. It is listed for $415,000, and it's 2 beds, 1 bath, and absolutely adorable and renovated to the nines.
Yes.
Everything about it is. And it's a dunes villa right there on Forest Beach, and we can talk about the location, but I'll talk a little bit about the renovation.
For sure.
Yeah, so everything's been renovated. When they bought it in 2021, they tore out even new electrical, new plumbing, everything, and did kitchen cabinets, all paint, and all new luxury flooring, and great furniture, and bathroom absolutely done, and ready to have someone move in it.
Ready. It really is. I saw the pictures before
Yes.
we started filming, and it is just absolutely adorable. And,
Yes.
and as we said, it's in a great location. There's some nice amenities in the complex.
Yes.
They can have a pet. The owners can have a pet.
Right, owners having a pet is great. And also, I've had people say to me, what complexes have heated pools? And there's not a lot that have heated pools. This one has a heated pool, and they even have where it can they can cool it in the summer.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, when it gets too hot.
It's too hot, so we don't have bath water.
Right,
but we can
exactly.
have it in the winter
It's
too.
refreshing.
Yes.
And it is so close to walk to the beach there. And in fact, you walk down the path, and then you make a little curve to the right and left, and go down by the Grand Ocean, and there's like a private little path, and then they have that bar there too that has live music and all that. So it's really a great place to go to the beach from there.
Right, and of course, obviously you just mentioned walking to the beach, but you can also walk to a lot of other places. It's right there with Celebration Park, where the Jazz in the Park starts next week, free concerts all summer, Coligny. You know, talk to us a little bit about that area, because it's really a place where you can park and just not worry about it.
People love it. I mean, the people that come and stay there, they can't beat those amenities that you have. And you know, with Forest Beach, you're not paying any yearly fees, or you're not paying a transfer fee, yet you have all the restaurants and all the, you know, there's live music, bars, all of that, and movie theater. Coligny is fantastic, as we know, so that's good. And you know, this price of $415,000, in all of Forest Beach right now, there's 13 active that are 2 bedrooms, and then there's been 13 sold, 2 under contract. So that's a real stable market, and not all of those are renovated. You know, not all of them are necessarily great complexes. So it's a great buy. I did have an agent that went and looked, and she said, we looked at everything under, you know, $500,000 from Folly Field to wherever, and that was their favorite. So
interesting. Well, I can see why. As I said before, I saw the pictures, and it is really cute. And so talk to us a little bit about, you know, if somebody, obviously it's perfect for somebody if they want to use it as their second home, their great resort, but it's a great location for short-term rentals as well.
Yes, and you can rent it. And that's what's great about Hilton Head, because I'm sometimes on calls with other second home destinations with agents, and there's having more and more restrictions. So it's nice on Hilton Head that in certain areas we still have places that you can short-term rent, and people can have them as a second home too. But people that live in Atlanta, that they can drive here, it's a perfect scenario for someone to have a little second home on the beach and then just get some extra income.
Right, absolutely. And so we have about a minute left. Talk to us a little bit about your team, what you bring to the table, and how somebody can see this property if they want to.
Right, and I do have a great team, and we're talking about Forest Beach area. And you know, sometimes we have our listings go so fast because it's so popular, and then I've got Shannon that can go and show, and then I can work with those listings, get them on, get them sold, because there's a lot to do between the listings and the buyers. So I feel like I've got a great team, and we can help people whether they want this listing or any listing.
And if they are thinking about listing, obviously you want them to come see this property, but if they're thinking about listing, you're ready to go with that too.
I am ready to go. We have great photographers, and we can take the listing and sell it for the best price fast.
Well, Sheri, it's always good to see you. Thank you so much for sharing this property with us. We appreciate it.
Thank you.